I have given a title of today's talk, How to Start and Stop Insulin Therapy. Now you tell me very honestly, how many, we will take a vote, that how many before seeing them believed that once insulin, always insulin, or insulin is permanent. Raise the hand. Insulin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So 15 genuine people, have raised the hand. Now, how many are doubtful कि बंद भी हो सकता है कि नहीं सकता है? Borderline. How many are doubtful? भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है? 1. Okay. And how many are staunch believer that insulin can be stopped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So we have 11 people believing strongly that it can be stopped, and 15 people, 15, right? That it cannot be stopped, right? Suppose we take at least 50% of the population believes that it cannot be stopped, right? So for them, here is a message, right? So Mrs. Ullah, how many years you have diabetes?
From the time it's been detected, it's year and a half.
Year and a half.
Yeah.
And how long you took insulin?
3 months.
3 months. And for rest of the 12 months you are off the insulin?
Absolutely.
Well controlled? Fine.
Actually, when Dr. Dalal tells you that you have to take an injection, it's such a frightening thought because one doesn't know what injection entails. Because in my childhood, what I've seen, the injection was a big needle and, give it a nice tight shot. So when he first time said insulin, and he said, lift, show your stomach to me. And then he said, pinch, and he poked. By the time you realize the insulin was in.
And Mrs. Khanna,
I had insulin twice, but within 2 months I was off it. And now I'm off all medications.
got the point?
Not
Off?
even insulin. I just don't have anything to control this thing, and my readings are perfect.
And diet and exercise also?
I'm now even having a little sweet, but occasionally. I had completely gone off this thing, and I lost with the diet about 5 kgs of weight.
Right.
And now I'm not very conscious about my diet. I'm having normal food, and occasional a bite or of sweet, I can have it. And then, of course, when I did it initially, I was so scared. I went and checked how it has affected me. But when I saw the readings normal, then I consoled myself, well, occasionally I can do that. So I am having a little bit. And when I had the diabetes, you will all be shocked, the reading was 630.
फनील फनील मोती वाला फनील आपको फर्स्ट टाइम इंसुलिन कौन से स्टार्ट में स्टार्ट किया था?
September 2009. That's the time when I was detected with diabetes, and I straight went to Dr. Dalal because he's been with us since quite a long time. My mother's got diabetes, so that's how I got in touch with him. Started with insulin probably for a month or so, and then I was off insulin, and then it's been 3 years. I've been dedicated to myself, my health, his guidance, and today I am without tablet. Absolutely no insulin till long back, and tablets also have stopped completely. I was even detected with thyroid, but even now that I'm completely off. So means definitely dedication towards your health is very important. That's all what I can say.
Now we will listen to Mrs. Bakre's story.
18 वर्ष झाली डायबिटीस आहे मला.
18 वर्ष. मी काय प्रश्न करणार?
हां चालेल.
आणि किती वर्ष आपण इन्सुलिन घेतलं?
इन्सुलिन जवळजवळ 12-13 वर्ष.
13 वर्ष घेतलं. 13 वर्ष इन्सुलिन घेतलं. आणि किती वर्षापासून इन्सुलिन बंद आहे?
इन्सुलिन बंद होऊन 3 वर्ष झाली.
3 वर्ष झाले. आणि आपण वजन किती कमी केलं?
वजन परत 20
हां
20 पाउंड्स.
पाउंड्स नाही, किलोग्राम.
किलोग्राम.
20 किलो वजन कमी केलं.
80 वर्षाची मी बाई आहे आणि आता मला इन्सुलिन 3 वर्ष झाली पूर्ण बंद झालेलं आहे आणि माझं आता व्यवस्थित नॉर्मल माझं शुगर.
व्हेरी गुड.
आणि
नाउ विल टेक मिसेस जैन, राइट? बरोबर आहे? recently detected, you know, and for the first time. Last year blood sugars were normal, right? And she came with a severe urinary tract infection, sugars high, ketone positive. And we gave a choice, that insulin at home or in a hospital, right? तो कितने दिन घर पे लिया इंसुलिन?
एक महीना।
एक महीना।
हाँ, एक महीना।
और अभी
इंश्योरेंस बंद हो गया।
शुगर कैसे है?
नॉर्मल।
अच्छा, अभी आपसे एक प्रश्न है, इन लोगों के सबके प्रश्न हो गए कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने आपको बोला कि अब भी इंजेक्शन लगाना है, तो आपको कैसा लगा था?
ऐसे डर कि इंजेक्शन लगाना मतलब एकदम वो टेंशन के
मन से तैयार थी?
मन से तैयार
नहीं थी। फिर
ऐसे शुगर ठीक करना है तो इनसे लेना ही पड़ेगा इंसुलिन इसके लिए।
आपने बिलीव किया था कि इंसुलिन बंद हो जाएगा? डॉक्टर दलाल ऐसे ही उल्लू बनाते, ऐसे ही लगा था ना? हाँ? नहीं, मन से लगा था कि बंद हो जाएगा?
बंद होगा ऐसे नहीं लगा था।
नक्की?
नक्की।
मिस्टर जैन, आपको लगा था इंसुलिन बंद होगा? नहीं। Give a big applause for their presence here.